Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we will be having a simplified view at the Corona Rakshak and Corona Kavach policies introduced by insurance companies. We will also be answering an important question. Are you safe? Let's begin. The news is all over the place. A vital question needs an answer. Do you need COVID health insurance? Yes and maybe not. Before we look at the Corona Rakshak and Corona Kavach policies, let's answer a few important questions. Can my existing health insurance policy protect me from COVID? Of course, yes. The IRDAI has ordered all insurance companies to update their existing health insurance policies to cover COVID treatment. Get in touch with your insurance company or agent to know more. Next, what if you don't have any health insurance policy? At least have a basic one. You can start with the Arogya Sanjeevani policy. This policy has been offered by almost all the insurance companies. This is as per the order from IRDAI. The Arogya Sanjeevani policy has cheaper premiums, has a family cover and also covers all basic treatments along with COVID. You can contact your insurance company or your agent to know more. You can also visit policybazaar.com to get the latest details. What if your employer recommends a health insurance policy? No problem. Contact your insurance company and ask them whether they cover COVID treatment. I am sure they will be covering. My suggestion is to have a separate personal health insurance policy along with the employer recommended one. This keeps flexibility in your hands when you change job. The personal health insurance policy acts as your bodyguard even if you change your career. Well, you may have another question. Why introduce new policies if my existing health insurance policy covers COVID? Well, these policies are for people with short-term goals, can afford cheaper premiums and are looking for exclusive coverage of COVID. For long-term, you must buy a comprehensive and regular health insurance policy along with an additional cover for COVID. This seems a wiser strategy. Let us come to the Corona Kavach policy. What is it? It is an exclusive COVID health insurance policy. It supports actual hospitalization expenses up to rupees 5 lakh only and only if you are confirmed corona positive. You can buy it for a tenure of 3.5, 6.5 and 9.5 months. The age group of people covered under this policy must be between 18 to 65. Family plan is available. It covers all expenses in hospital as well as if you are getting treatment during home quarantine and Ayush Mantralaya prescribed treatments. Premium paid by you will be one time. There is also an option for daily cash wherein hospital will support you daily for 15 days. It is kind of pocket money for daily use when the patient is hospitalized. You can consider this policy as a reimbursement type of policy. You will have to keep your bills safe and ready for upload. It also covers all costs incurred 15 days before hospitalization and 30 days after discharge. What is the Corona Rakshak policy? In this policy, you will get 100% lump sum amount, or we can say one-time amount, only and only if you are detected corona positive. Premium paid by you will be one time. The amount covered by this policy is 2.5 lakhs. You can buy it for a tenure of 3.5 months, 6.5 months and 9.5 months. The age group must be between 18 to 65. The important thing to note here is that only an individual can buy this policy. Family cover is not applicable to this policy. Any extra expenses above 2.5 lakh limit have to be borne by you, that is the person who has bought this policy. This policy expires immediately after the company pays you lump sum amount. For the company, it has done what it agreed to, that is pay you the entire amount. Can I buy Corona Rakshak and Corona Kavach policies online? Yes, many companies are offering it online. You can check their website. Some companies may require you to undergo additional health checkup before they issue you a policy. They want to just make sure that you fit in their norms and your case is not critical. Are there any discounts available? Yes, a discount of 5% on premiums is awarded to health workers. Are all COVID diagnostic centers authorized for raising a claim? No, only authorized COVID COVID diagnostic centers are valid for raising a claim? Know the list of authorized centers in your neighborhood beforehand. Next question. Can I raise a claim immediately after I buy a policy or if the patient is declared as corona positive? No. There is a waiting period of 15 days after you buy the policy. Any claim raised during the 15-day waiting period is rejected. Is there a COVID policy for health workers and police personnel? Yes, Government of India has already announced a 50 lakh cover for all the health workers and the police. There are state specific policies also. Visit the government websites for more info. Next question. Is there a COVID policy for central government employees? Yes, all central government employees are already covered in their existing health insurance policy for COVID. No need to worry. The next question is important for salaried individuals. Do I get any tax benefit if I buy Corona Kavach or Corona Rakshak policy? Unfortunately, no. You can't claim tax benefit on these exclusive COVID policies, namely Corona Rakshak and Corona Kavach. However, if you have a standard or regular health insurance policy which covers coronavirus treatment as a part of it, then you can claim tax benefit up to rupees 25,000 in section 80D. In this case, the presence of regular health insurance policy is better. So salaried individuals, you can take a choice from this information. Last but not the least, a very important question. Does LIC, which is the Life Insurance Corporation of India, cover COVID death claims? Yes, it has already processed many COVID death claims. The process is hassle free. LIC is standing with you. You just have to refurbish the necessary documents. Here are some tips from my side. Have a list of authorized COVID diagnostic centers in your neighborhood. Keep your bills and receipts safe. Wait for 15 days before you raise a claim. If necessary, you can consult a certified insurance agent to finalize your choice. Policybazaar.com is a very good portal on which you can compare multiple policies and arrive at a decision. I frequently refer that to all my friends who are watching this video. If you don't have any health insurance policy, at least start with a basic one. The Arogya Sanjeevani policy can give you a good head start. If you don't have sufficient coverage, take a top up. If you already have a comprehensive health insurance policy which already covers COVID treatment, relax. You are already protected. The moral of this analysis is, friends, always remember that better be safe than sorry. Stay safe, stay healthy and be happy. See you soon. Jai Hind.